Hello, my loves. Welcome back to Lavender. Today, I'm doing a Sunday reset routine showing you how I reset and plan for a new week. By the way, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click that bell for more videos on personal growth and lifestyle design. So it's really important for me to start every day by making my bed. I feel like it's such a simple, quick task that makes you feel a little more put together and really sets the tone for the rest of your day. Next, gotta hydrate. I've been using this gallon bottle every day for a few months now, and although it gets kind of heavy, I love not having to refill my water throughout the day. I aim to drink about 1 gallon per day. Togi is so cute in the mornings. I wish I could get it on camera, but he usually wakes me up by laying next to me in my arms in bed. It's so precious. He really is my little teddy bear. Next, I'm hopping in the shower and washing my hair. I only wash my hair about 3 times a week, so this is a major event. Physically cleansing is a way to reset my body and refresh my energy for the start of the week. Did you know your shower produces negative ions, which are known to boost your mood and energy? You typically find negative ions in nature, like by a waterfall, the ocean, mountains, etc. Just know that the act of falling water is good for you in more ways than you think. After showering, I'm styling my bangs using some leave-in conditioner and blow drying my hair. This is an example of the extra time that I would put into self-care on my reset days. All this just to make sure that my hair looks good, it's ready when I wake up the next day. Next, I'm meditating for about 15 minutes. This helps me clear my mind, reset my mental slate, and focus on my intentions for myself. If I don't take the time to meditate on my intentions, I get caught up in the busyness of my days. So today, I'm focusing on the affirmations: I love myself, I trust myself, I am safe. I have plenty of guided meditations and an affirmations audio that I will link down below if you want more help getting started. Having this cup of lemon tea that I got from the Japanese market. It is so good and refreshing, and at this point, Wilson and I just sit down to have our lunch together. And now it's time to review my calendar and plan the week ahead. I'm excited to use my new weekly reset planner, which we just launched on our shop. I'll link it in the card and down below, but it's a new planner I created with both monthly and weekly layouts. So here, I'm just reviewing my calendar and making note of the events I have planned this week. This planner is completely undated, so you can start using it anytime, and you don't have to feel guilty about skipping a week or two and wasting pages in your planner. It also comes with this adorable sticker set. I love our new stickers. They really spruce up the visuals and make things more fun. And when you're done, you can conveniently keep them in the pocket in the back of the planner. Next, I'm reviewing and organizing my to-dos on Notion. Before I show you how I organize it, I want to thank AMD for sponsoring today's video. This is the AMD Ryzen-powered HP Envy X360 that I've had for the past year. Although you guys might typically see me using a Mac, I actually use both Mac and PC at home. I know not everyone is interested in Macs, so I want to share about the other options that are out there. If you're looking for a new laptop, this PC powered by AMD is an amazing choice. With this ultra-fast processor, this laptop can handle my multitasking and heavy workload. I'm always working with multiple programs open at once. The graphics are also amazing on this laptop. You can edit photos and videos and stream your favorite shows in up to 4K and HDR. Visuals are so important to me as a creator, and the AMD Radeon graphics do not disappoint. One of my favorite things about this laptop is its convertible design. You can flip the screen and use it in tablet mode, which is really convenient for me. It's lightweight and portable while still being a really powerful machine. Another huge win is the amazing battery life. With 16 hours of battery life, this laptop can power you through a full day without needing to be charged. So whether I'm creating a mood board, planning a shot list, or script writing, I'm able to focus on my work without worrying about any issues with my tech. If you want to learn more about PCs powered by AMD, you can click the link in the description below. Alright, so this focus page is my to-dos page on Notion. I organize it with 2 columns at the top for today and tomorrow's 3 most important tasks. Below is the Kanban style board where I organize my to-dos in different categories. The next column is for the next things I have to do, and then I have a column for work and personal to-dos. Space is a place where I can brain dump ideas, notes, or to-dos before organizing them. And below that is a calendar of the same board, which is honestly pretty empty since I don't use it as much. Next, I'm filling out this upcoming week in my weekly planner, writing some goals for the week, self-care, and what I want to get done tomorrow, starting with the 3 most important tasks and then other to-dos and reminders. I love the new habit tracker in our weekly planner. I feel like it'll be easier to track habits on a weekly basis, especially since it's right there on the same layout that will be open on my desk all week. Just to show you what else is in this planner, on the next page after the weekly to-dos is a weekly reflection layout. This is a space to reset and reflect with prompts like how did I feel this week, a gratitude list, and a weekly wins. This space on the bottom will have a new journal prompt each week, and over here you can rate how you're doing in different areas of your life, reflect on your lessons learned, and then there's some extra space for planning and ideas. After planning, I'm setting a timer to clean for 10 minutes. Wilson and I have been kind of messy lately, and it can feel like such a chore to clean. This 10-minute hack helps motivate you to clean because 10 minutes isn't too long, it's a doable time frame. So you just set the timer and you can stop when your 10 minutes is up. Usually once you get started though, you become more motivated, so you may even keep cleaning after the 10 minutes is up. Seriously, try it and let me know how it works for you. Later in the evening, I'm setting up to do some stretching and healing exercises. I made a couple videos on healing your energy where I share my journey learning this new practice and even a video on how to do some simple exercises. This is a belly button healing wand. I'm using this to do some belly button healing, which stimulates your digestive organs and promotes blood flow and movement in that area. I know this looks weird if you've never seen this before, but don't knock it until you try it. There's a whole book and YouTube channel about this. Next, I'm moving up to my solar plexus and pressing on the area that feels most sensitive, deep breathing throughout. Your solar plexus is the area about 2 inches below your ribs. Just think about between your ribs and your belly button. There's like a sensitive spot there, and that is where you hold a lot of emotions. The more sensitive and painful this area feels, the more tension you're holding there. So breathing through and even making sounds during this exercise can really help you release the energy that's within. Similar to using the wand, you can also use your fist to tap these areas. I'm tapping my solar plexus and just exploring the spots that feel the most sensitive. This is something that everyone can do at home, so I recommend you try tapping while deep breathing. You can tap below your belly button, and then tap your solar plexus, and then try tapping your chest, which is your heart chakra. And in general, you can move towards wherever you feel like you need it. Ask yourself what areas hold the most tension in your body. Try tapping on those areas to relieve the tension there. So I'm continuing with some chest tapping and then with my fingers tapping on my neck and jaw muscles, since I notice I hold a lot of tension in my jaw due to stress and anxiety. Then I'm tapping the back of my neck and working my way up to the top of my head. After that, I'm stretching my spine, doing some seated cats and cows. Since I spend most of my day sitting, I really need to stretch and decompress my spine. There are certain motions that I gravitate towards because I feel like my body needs it and craves it. Everyone is different though, so try listening to your body when you're stretching and follow what it feels like doing. Who cares if it isn't a standard or official stretch? Your body is meant to move in creative ways, so why limit yourself? Next, I'm doing some rolling back exercises, massaging the entirety of my spine. I've grown to love this exercise since it's fun and feels good for your back. I also love doing the plow pose because that feels so good on my upper back and shoulders. I typically stretch in a way that with each breath, I sink deeper and deeper into the stretch, so you're actively relaxing deeper and deeper. Finally, I'm doing some side body stretches and also sinking deeper and deeper with each breath. So you inhale, and when you exhale, that's when you sink deeper. And then I'm just doing some arm stretches to finish it off. Togi has been playing with his toys the whole time, and now it's time to relax and just hang out with him. Although my reset routine changes every now and then, it always incorporates these major themes: cleansing, resetting my mind, planning my week ahead, cleaning or tidying, and then self-care and nurturing my well-being. I'm curious, what do you love to do to reset before a new week? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our new weekly reset planner as well as our new 2022 Artist of Life workbook that just launched on our shop. Links are all down below. Thanks again to AMD for sponsoring today's video, sending you all so much love, and I will see you next time. Bye!